Hi everyone, I am Ayushi Jain from School of Law, Modi University, working as a legal intern in LexIs and Company. Today in this video I am describing about recent judgment passed by Allahabad High Court on man allegedly goes blind due to the COVID vaccine. The man allegedly goes blind due to COVID vaccine. The Allahabad High Court direct district magistrate to decide on wife representation seek compensation. The Allahabad High Court has directed District Magistrate Budhuan to decide on a woman's representation regarding blindness of her husband due to the vaccine of COVID-19. The bench of Justice Mahesh Chandra Tripathi was hearing a writ petition preferred by the wife who sought directly to the respondent to pay compensation to her husband regarding his blindness due to the vaccine of COVID-19 and for a future direction to respondent to decide a representation of the petitioner dated 19 April 2021. Considering the fact and the circumstances of the case, without expressing any opinion on the merit of the issue and with the consent, the writ petition was disposed of with the observation that in the case that petitioner make fresh representation along with all relative medical report to the district magistrate Budhuan ventilating his grievance within 1 week, the authority would decide the same according to the law expeditiously. The Madras High Court in February ordered auto spy on the body of a 40-year-old boy conservancy working with the participation of the otoscopy surgery pathologistic and forensic scientists specialized, if not already in this said manner. The bench of Justice M.M. Sundaresh and Justice S. Ananthi was hearing the prayer of the one Ambika, a daily wage labor wife of deceased, who allegedly that her husband got vaccinated on January 21st, 2021. However, his health started degrading or deteriorating, and on Jain 30, when he was traveling to Madurai for a medical checkup, he threw up and collapsed at the Arukwati new bus station. The Meghalaya High Court has recently held that mandatory or forceful vaccination does not find any violation, any force in law, hence to be decided as ultra-virus ab initio to ensure that people have an informed choice with respect to the vaccination. The Meghalaya High Court issued a slew of direction to the state government in respect of vaccination of all shops, establishments, local taxes, etc. A division comprising of Chief Justice Vishwanath Swamedar and Justice S. Thakyu observed that Article 21 encompasses with its fold right to health as a fundamental right. By that same analogy, right to health care, which includes vaccination, is a fundamental right. However, vaccination by force or being made mandatory by adopting coercive method vitiates the very fundamental purpose of the welfare attached to it. It impinges on the fundamental right as such, especially when it affects the right to means to livelihood, which make it possible for a person to live. Furthermore, it is said that right to and the welfare policy for the vaccination can never affect a major fundamental right. For example, right to life, personal liberty and livelihood, especially when there is no existence of reasonable nexus between vaccination and the prohibition of the continuance of the occupation and or profession. A harmonious and purposive construction of the provisions of law and the principle of equity, good conscience and justice level the mandatory or the forceful vaccination does not find any force in law leading to such act being liable to be declared ultra virus ab initio. Thank you.